2025 is packed with new wearable tech that doesn't just track your steps or heart rate, it pushes the boundaries of what the human body can do. In this countdown, we're looking at the top 12 new wearable devices of the year that'll make you feel like a cyborg. Let's dive in. Number 13, smart night vision AI glasses. Imagine being able to see in complete darkness without a flashlight. That's what prototype AI glasses in 2025 are working toward. Instead of traditional night vision goggles, these use infrared sensors, LiDAR, and AI image processing to create simplified overlays of your surroundings. Research groups like the Fraunhofer Institute in Germany have been developing AI-driven low vision aids, while startups such as Brilliant Labs have demonstrated real-time overlays for identifying objects. The idea is to help people with night blindness and low-light vision conditions, but the same technology could extend to security and defense. While not consumer-ready yet, real-world demos already show soldiers training with AI-assisted optics and autonomous systems using similar tech. It's medical assistance that feels like enhanced vision. Number 12, smart VR gloves. At CES 2025, haptic VR gloves once again drew attention as developers pushed to make virtual experiences feel more physical. These gloves use pressure sensors, vibration motors, and sometimes force feedback to let users feel virtual objects, picking up tools, shaking hands, or manipulating 3D models. Companies like Haptex and Manus have been refining prototypes for years, but in 2025, lighter, more consumer-friendly versions were demonstrated, aiming at gaming and training simulations. Beyond entertainment, the applications are serious. Medical schools use haptic gloves for surgical training, and engineering teams for prototyping. CES demos showed testers stacking virtual blocks and feeling resistance in their fingertips, highlighting how gloves are closing the gap between digital environments and real-world touch. Number 11, posture trackers and wearable mice. In 2025, posture trackers and wearable mice represent the subtler side of wearable innovation. Posture trackers are lightweight sensors that attach to clothing and use accelerometers and gyroscopes to monitor spinal alignment, sending gentle vibrations when you slouch. At CES, startups showed models with AI coaching that not only correct posture, but also suggest micro breaks. Wearable mice, meanwhile, turn rings or finger sensors into input devices, letting you control computers or AR/VR interfaces with gestures. Together, these devices show how wearables are moving beyond fitness and into everyday productivity. Number 10, Honor Watch 5 Ultra. Unveiled at Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona, the Honor Watch 5 Ultra is one of the latest rugged smartwatches. Built with a titanium alloy case and sapphire glass, it's designed for durability in extreme conditions. The watch supports dual-frequency GNSS for precise navigation, advanced heart monitoring with ECG, and extended battery life for adventurers. What stood out at MWC was how Honor positioned it against Garmin and Apple's Ultra models, targeting hikers, divers, and endurance athletes. 2025 has been a year where rugged, professional-grade wearables dominated expo floors, shifting focus away from casual fitness. Number 9, Luna Ring 2. At CES in 2025, one of the more surprising highlights came not from glasses or watches, but a smart ring. The Luna Ring 2 by Noise, an Indian consumer tech brand, combines titanium construction with advanced health tracking features in a minimalist form. It monitors heart rate, body temperature, sleep cycles, and activity, competing with global players like Aura at a more accessible price point. The launch underscored India's growing role in the wearable market, one of the fastest expanding in the world. At CES, attendees tested its accuracy in tracking sleep and recovery, highlighting how subtle wearables are becoming everyday health tools. Number 8, Circular Ring 2. The Circular Ring 2, unveiled at CES 2025, pushed smart rings into medical territory. Unlike most rings centered on fitness, it integrates an FDA-cleared ECG sensor capable of detecting atrial fibrillation. It also introduced digital sizing, replacing plastic test kits with an electronically adjustable band. solving one of the biggest adoption hurdles. At CES, it stood out as competitors still lacked ECG capability, signaling a step toward mainstream medical wearables. For users, it means access to hospital-grade health data in a device that looks more like jewelry than technology. Number 7. Garmin Instinct 3. Garmin has long been the go-to brand for rugged smartwatches, and the Instinct 3, released in early 2025, expanded on that reputation. It retained the durability of its predecessors, but introduced an AMOLED display option, solar charging for extended life, and updated sensors for fitness and environmental tracking. What makes the Instinct 3 notable is its target audience, people working or training in extreme conditions. At CES 2025, it was demonstrated with water dunk tests and shock-resistant trials. In a year marked by natural disasters and outdoor survival interest, wearables like the Instinct 3 feel particularly relevant. More than a lifestyle accessory, it represents the growing demand for technology that functions where smartphones or delicate devices can't survive. Number 6. Note-taking AI pins. 2025 has seen AI pins evolve into one of the most practical wearables for work and study. These small, clip-on devices use built-in microphones and AI transcription to capture conversations, summarize meetings, and condense talks into clean notes. The Humane AI pin, which debuted in late 2023, set the stage, and in 2025, updates and competitors have made the technology more reliable and accessible. Instead of juggling notebooks or typing during discussions, the pin processes speech in real time and delivers a structured recap you can review later. At product demos this year, pins were shown turning long brainstorming sessions into clear bullet points, showing how AI is starting to automate one of the most time-consuming parts of daily work. Number 5. Whoop 5.0 and Whoop MG. In June 2025, Whoop launched its most advanced devices yet, the Whoop 5.0 and the Whoop MG. Unlike traditional smartwatches, Whoop devices are screenless bands dedicated to performance and recovery. The Whoop 5.0 delivered 14-day battery life and added ECG and blood pressure insights, while the MG condensed the same features into a smaller form factor. What sets Whoop apart is focus. No apps, no notifications, just metrics athletes and trainers care about: strain, recovery, and sleep quality. Backed by Cristiano Ronaldo, the launch brought attention to the shift from general fitness trackers to specialized performance wearables. By pushing sports science metrics into consumer devices, Whoop's 2025 models highlight how the future of wearables is about depth of insight, not just steps or calories. Number 4. Quark AI glasses. Alibaba. The Quark AI glasses, announced by Alibaba in 2025, represents the company's push into wearable AI. Powered by its Qwen language model, the glasses aim to compete directly with Meta's and Xiaomi's offerings. They promise real-time translation, context-aware responses, and integration into Alibaba's broader ecosystem, from shopping to navigation. Unlike Western AI glasses marketed as lifestyle products, Alibaba's approach leans into daily utility in China, where super app ecosystems dominate. At launch in Hangzhou, demos showcased live translation and navigation overlays, illustrating how AI glasses could become practical tools rather than just novelty gadgets. Analysts viewed the Quark launch as a sign that AI glasses are becoming the next battleground for tech giants. By the end of 2025, Alibaba expects to begin rolling them out in China. Number 3. MoGo Power Pants. At CES 2025, Arc'teryx partnered with Skip Robotics to reveal the MoGo Power Pants, a wearable exoskeleton designed for mobility assistance. Unlike industrial exoskeletons, these pants are lightweight and designed to look like outdoor gear. They use electric motors at the hips and knees to reduce strain and provide lift while walking uphill or carrying loads. Journalists who tested the prototype described it as like having extra extra muscles in your legs. While still expensive and limited to pre-order, with shipping expected in 2026, the Mogo pants represent a consumer-focused leap into robotic wearables. Their presence at CES showed how far exoskeleton technology has come, no longer confined to labs or factories, but aimed at hikers, outdoor workers, and eventually everyday users. Number 2. Ali Solos glasses. The Ali Solos glasses, developed with Envision, were one of the most socially significant wearable launches of 2025. Targeted at people with low vision or blindness, they use a built-in camera, AI software, and open-ear speakers to describe the surrounding environment in real time. The glasses can read text, recognize faces, identify objects, and translate signs. At demonstrations earlier this year, users navigated airports and grocery stores with the AI guiding them. Shipping is set to begin in October 2025, with pre-orders already underway. Analysts call the Ali Solos launch part of a wider accessibility push in AI wearables, a shift from tech being about convenience to being life-changing. It represents how AI in 2025 isn't just about enhancement, but inclusion. Number 1. Oakley Meta HSTN AI Glasses. At number 1 are the Oakley Meta HSTN AI glasses, announced in June 2025. A collaboration between Oakley and Meta, these combine sports eyewear design with AI integration. They feature a high-resolution camera, open-ear audio, IPX4 water resistance, and direct access to Meta AI. Unlike prototypes still in labs, these are being positioned for everyday use, from capturing hands-free video to getting real-time information. Launch presentations focused on practical utility rather than futuristic promises. Early testers described them as being a sportier evolution of the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, with broader appeal for athletes and outdoor users. The potential scale is what sets them apart. Oakley's global reach, combined with Meta's AI push, could make these the first AI glasses to hit mainstream adoption. That wraps up the list. From robotic pants and AI glasses to smart rings and athlete-grade health bands, 2025 is showing us what happens when technology stops being something you hold and starts being something you wear. If you made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below.